Good morning to all. My name is Chetan Gaikwad from Mechanical Department. Today we are going to study the need of waste heat recovery. Recovery of waste heat has a direct effect on the efficiency of the process. This is reflected by reduction in the utility consumption cost and process cost. Third point is the reduction in pollution. Number of toxic combustible waste such as carbon monoxide gas, sour gas, etc. releasing to atmosphere if and when burnt in the incinerators serves dual purpose, that is recovers heat and reduces the environmental pollution. Reduction in equipment sizes. Waste heat recovery reduces the fuel consumption, which leads to reduction in the flue gases produced. This results in reduction in equipment sizes of all fuel gas handling equipment. Reduction in auxiliary energy consumption. Reduction in equipment size gives additional benefits in the form of reduction in auxiliary energy consumption like electricity for fans, pumps, etc. To make huge savings and earn high profits. By switching to the most energy efficient technology available, companies can make huge savings and significantly reduce environmental impact. So opportunities of waste recovery in iron and steel industry. First, the waste heat source is the blast furnace gas BFG, maintaining the heating value to reduce or eliminate use of supplementary fuel such as natural gas. Coke oven gas COG, use of sensible heat and chemical heat of COG eliminates of need to cool or quench the COG as discharge from the coke oven batteries. Next is the steam from liquid steel refining area. Steam from liquid refining area. Recovery of steam heat and condensate returns. Now hot coke discharged from coke ovens. Recovery of high grade temperature sensible heat from hot coke. Hot products discharged from various furnaces. Recovery of heat from high temperature, that is up to 1300 to 2500 2200 Fahrenheit, that is 700 degree centigrade to 1200 degree centigrade, steel products. Next is the waste heat from recuperator or a regenerator burner system used on various heating or heat treating furnaces. Recovery of sensible and latent heat from flue gases. Opportunities of waste heat recovery in low grade heat available in the form of hot water used in cooling systems. So for various operations, example caster reheat furnace and roll cooling. Recovery of heat from low temperature water, usually less than 125 degrees Fahrenheit or 52 degrees centigrade. Next type of waste heat resources is the radiation convection heat losses from furnace walls. Its recovery of heat for use within the plant. EF exhaust gases, recovery of chemical and sensible heat. So these are certain points we have discussed today regarding the opportunities of waste heat recovery in iron and steel industries. From blast furnace gas, coke oven gas, steam from the liquid steel refining area, hot coke discharge from coke ovens, hot products discharge from various furnaces, from recuperator or regenerator burners, then from low grade heat available in the form of hot water used in cooling systems, then from radiation convection heat loss from furnace walls, then EAF exhaust gases. Thank you.